Hello, hi children, welcome to Nayak Academy. Hope you people are enjoying with the constructions. In today's session, let us construct exercise third problem. Coming to the question, construct a triangle with the sides 5 cm, 6 cm and 7 cm and then another triangle whose sides are 7 by 5 of the corresponding sides of the first triangle. Let us start to construct, children. I have written steps of construction. Same thing we are going to construct here. Step 1. Construct a triangle ABC where AB equal to 6 cm, AC equal to 5 cm and BC is equal to 7 cm. Let us start to construct this triangle first, children. First, let us construct base of a triangle BC equal to 7 cm. So first draw a line segment. BC is equal to 7 cm. BC equal to 7 cm. Now we have to construct a side AB equal to 6 cm. So what we have to do? Take compass and take 6 cm as measurement. You take and keep your compass on point B and draw one arc like this. Then we have to construct side AC is equal to 5 cm. Change the measurement and you take AC as 5 cm. Then keep your compass on point C and cut that arc. Now where the two arcs will meet, you are finding one point and you name that point as A. Next step, join A, B and join AC. Now ABC is a required triangle of side BC equal to 7 cm, AB equal to 6 cm and AC is equal to 5 cm. Step 2. Draw a ray BX making acute angle with the BC. Now you have to draw a ray like the children. Don't draw a ray like this. This is 90 degree. Less than 90 degree you have to take and you have to draw one ray like this. Draw any ray BX making acute angle with BC. Next, step 3. Locate 7 points. How we got 7 points? See the ratio 7 by 5. Greater number is 7. So we have to make 7 parts on ray BX. Take compass. Keep your compass on B. Any measurement you can take. Keep your compass on B. Draw 7 arcs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Call that arcs as B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6 and B7. Step 4. Join B5 and C. Why we have to join 5, children? Because see the denominator, which number is there? 5. So that B5 and C you have to join. Next step, we have to construct a line like this which is parallel to B5C. So you have to draw a line like the children which is parallel to B5C. How to construct? Now extend the base. Now take compass, keep your compass on point B5 and draw one arc like this. Same measurement, keep your compass on B7 and draw arc like this. Now you have to measure the angle formed between these two lines. Measure the angle. And same thing you are going to construct here. Cut that arc. Now you are finding one point here and you have to join B7 and that point, let it intersect at C dash. Now see, now you name that point as C dash. Same way, now B5C is parallel to B7C dash. Again similarly we have to construct a line at C dash which is parallel to AC. C dash, this line you have to construct, children, so which is parallel to AC. How to construct? Similarly same procedure. Once again keep your compass on C, draw one arc like this. Again same measurement, keep your compass on at C dash, draw another arc like this. Measure the angle formed between these two lines and keep your compass on that arc and cut that arc. We have to join C dash and this point and extend, children. Same way this side you have to extend. AB side you extend, let it intersect C dash and A dash. So this point is A. Now you call that A. Where the two lines are intersecting, no, you name that point as A dash. Now A dash B C dash is similar to triangle ABC. Let me write here, triangle A dash B C dash is similar to triangle ABC. Here denominator is lesser than the numerator, so you will get similar triangle outside the triangle. If the denominator is greater than the numerator, then you will get similar triangle inside the given triangle. Now here triangle A dash B C dash is similar to triangle given triangle ABC. Justification: BA dash by BA equal to BC dash by BC equal to A dash C dash by AC equal to 7 by 5. How you can prove, children? In question number 2 already I have explained. So in two triangles A dash B C dash and triangle ABC, angle C equal to angle C dash because corresponding angles. Angle A equal to A dash, they are corresponding angles because AC is parallel to line A dash C dash and angle B equal to angle B, common angle. So you can write by AA similarity criteria, triangle BA dash C dash is similar to triangle BAC. If they are similar, then corresponding sides are proportion. BA dash by BA equal to BC dash by BC equal to A dash C dash by AC. You can call that equation 1. Similarly, you take triangle BC dash B7. In these two triangles B5 C and BC dash B7, angle C equal to angle C dash, corresponding angles. B5, angle B5 equal to angle B7 by AA similarity criteria. Then you can write angle B equal to angle B by AA similarity criteria. Triangle BC dash B7 is similar to triangle BC B5. If they are similar, then their corresponding sides are proportion. BC dash by BC equal to BB5 divided by BB7. So BB7 is 7, BB5 is 5. From equation 1 and 2 you can write BA dash by BA equal to BC dash by BC equal to A dash by C dash by AC equal to 7 by 5. In question number 2, I have explained how to write steps for justification. Please watch the video using link provided in the description. With this construction, I will wind up the session. In my next video, let us construct remaining exercise problems. Till then, keep practicing these constructions. Thank you.